XYZ stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in a short 1 minute video. Look, I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors, and over the last 5 years, I've done 39,000 videos. You know, I've really been in the trenches. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And my first thing on the list with XYZ or Block Incorporated is going to be that after this crazy, like, you know, crash, kind of big gap down, I'm not just straight up going to come here and say it's a sell, guys, straight up sell. No, still taking it like with a grain of salt, because this whole thing is a demand zone that we're tapping. So that being said, only if maybe like I see this shift, I'm going to look to still double down on that. But other than that, I don't have like enough data. I don't have enough candles to really kind of come up with that decision. And if it's like something starts happening, like a lot of ups and downs and whatnot, then I'm just not going to be a part of it, like I guess, because now my rules are not met. Two ways this thing can go for a long side. Either we break the highs here, or we have like some sort of the confirmation there. Both, I mean, I'll keep you updated. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without trading, without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. It is trading, by the way.